Hi, today we're going to explore what determines PES, the factors that make supply more or less responsive to price changes. The first determinant is production time. This refers to how long it takes for a firm to produce more of a good. A high PES example is fast fashion t-shirts. Companies like Zara can quickly produce more t-shirts in response to price increases because production cycles are short for them. Supply is highly responsive. A low PES example is wine production. A vineyard cannot instantly increase quantity supplied because grapes take months to grow and ferment. Even if prices rise sharply, quantity supplied cannot increase in the short run. The second determinant is spare capacity. It's the extent to which a firm has unused resources or machinery that can be brought into production. A high PES example is car manufacturing in a factory that is running at 70% capacity. If demand rises, the firm can quickly increase output by using the idle capacity or resources. Supply is elastic. A low PES example is a factory that is already at full capacity. If it is already producing at maximum output, it can no longer increase quantity supplied anymore, even when prices rise further. Supply is price inelastic. The third determinant is stocks or inventories. Firms that hold finished products can quickly respond to price changes by releasing existing stocks. A high PES example is supermarkets with large inventories of bottled drinks. If the price rises, they can immediately sell more from stock, so supply is highly elastic. A low PES example is fresh fish in a local market, because these are limited in supply as fish spoils quickly. Firms cannot increase quantity supplied easily even if prices rise, so PES is low. The fourth determinant is the ability to switch factors of production to different goods. If resources can be moved easily between products, supply is more price elastic. A high PES example is automobile parts manufacturers. If the price of car bumpers increase, they can quickly switch machineries and workers from producing other body panels to producing more bumpers. Supply is elastic. A low PES example is cocoa beans for chocolate. Land and labor are specialized for cocoa. They cannot be easily switched to producing other crops quickly, so supply is price inelastic. The fifth determinant is technology. Better technology allows firms to increase production more easily when prices rise. A high PES example is 3D printing for custom products. Technology allows rapid scaling of output in response to higher prices. Supply is price elastic in this case. A low PES example is traditional handcrafted furniture. Output is limited by human skills and time, so even if prices rise, firms cannot increase quantity supplied very quickly. PES is low. The sixth determinant is time. PES depends on whether we are looking at the short run or the long run. A high PES example is housing in the long run. Over years, developers can build more houses in response to price increases, making supply more elastic in the long run. A low PES example is housing in the short run. You cannot instantly build more homes, so supply is inelastic in the short run.